I'm a huge believer in testimonials, in your emails, on your website, on your landing pages, and most importantly of all, if you're doing a face-to-face presentation, you should have a 3-ring binder. I know that's retro in today's world. I guess you could have it on your computer, but you know, if you have a 3-ring binder where you can quickly and easily show people real emails and real letters that have been sent to you endorsing your product, endorsing your service, that is really tangible and a great thing to do. If you've got them on your computer, fine, but what you want to do with testimonials is you want to sort them into different categories. Testimonials about how good your service is, testimonials about how good your product is, testimonials about the results you had from the product, testimonials from different types of people, from men, from women, from whoever it is that uses your product, whatever ethnicity or whereabouts in the world they're from. Split them all into different files, and then when somebody says to you some kind of objection, well, you know, I don't know if I can really do this, I've got a bad back. You know, it's funny you should say that, George, because I had a guy come in here the other day, said exactly the same thing. Let me show you what he found. And I flipped through the testimonials, and I find a testimonial from Fred, and Fred had come to take golf lessons, and Fred was worried about his back, but we did some stretches and we did a few exercises, and now Fred is playing great golf and hitting it better than ever. That is really powerful sales, and you can only do that if you take the time and effort to take your testimonials, to get testimonials in the first place, and to categorize them for easy finding so you can let the testimonial make the sale for you.